Networking without a CRM system is a waste of time. Look, anybody can talk about the values of networking, of going out, of having fun, of meeting new people, making new friends. That's the easy part. That's net drinking. That's not networking. Networking involves having a structure in place, having a process, having a plan, and knowing why you're doing it. And if for that to happen, you need a dedicated personal CRM system. That's what I specialize in, and that's what I want to teach you about. A good CRM system needs to sync with or be your main platform of communication. A good CRM system needs to be flexible enough, yet complex enough to make intricate connections. You need to be able to group people by similar and like interests. You need to be able to track the degree of the relationship. You need to be able to send out personalized mass mailers. And finally, you need to be able to call on it whenever you need.